Hello. Let's get a message from the Archangels. This is from Kyle Gray's The 22 Archangels Oracle. Archangel Jeremiel, personal responsibility. Take responsibility for your choices. This is an opportunity for inner growth. Let's read from the guidebook. Jeremiel, God's mercy, is a powerful angel who shines a light on the aspects of our life that need reflection and honesty in order for us to move forward with love and authenticity. He helps us understand and embody what it really means to have mercy and reach a state of forgiveness. Just by sensing his presence, we may feel guided to let go of an old story that's holding us in our past so that we can experience the miracle of our present. Your message is, the energy of forgiveness is here, waiting to be called in and embodied. Angels are here too, inviting you to take a step back and review your current situation before moving forward. If you have received feedback or identified that your choices or actions have been to the detriment of someone around you, it's important to own your part of it. It's not easy taking responsibility for actions that hurt others, especially if that wasn't your intention. But you will feel better about owning your part than defending your actions. And in turn, this will welcome in the energy of peace. Your angels know that you can give yourself a hard time, so this isn't encouragement to beat yourself up over past choices, rather an opportunity to demonstrate how far you've come on the journey of personal discovery and spiritual responsibility. Angels are here to remind you that without mistakes, you wouldn't be who or where you are today. So, have some compassion for yourself and forgive yourself for what has happened. Remember, the only thing you can change is how you act now. This will lead to serious upgrades and up-leveling on your spiritual path. Okay, taking personal responsibility, exercising forgiveness, compassion for whatever has happened, and to remember the only thing that we can change is how we act in the present moment. Yeah, Jeremiel, the meaning of Jeremiel is God's mercy, yes. Having mercy, grace, the other words that stick out to me, reflection, so inner reflection, being honest with ourselves, moving forward with love and authenticity. Letting go of old stories that may be holding us in the past. And it says here, just by sensing his presence, Jeremiel's presence, we may feel guided to let go of an old story that's holding us in our past so that we can experience the miracle of our present. Letting go, being present to receive even more miracles. Taking a step back, seeing things from a different perspective. And choosing peace. It's not easy taking responsibility for actions that hurt others, especially if that wasn't your intention, but you will feel better about owning your part than defending your actions, yes. Moving away from drama. Choosing peace instead. Okay, thank you. Let's move on to the numerology guidance cards. Let's see if there's anything here. Ooh. Personal growth, number 7. For sure there was a message of personal growth and spiritual growth in the guidance book. Okay, this card is purple, makes me think of the crown and the third eye. You're very intuitive. Those energy centers are opening up for you. Taking responsibility for your life, being the leader of your life, knowing that you are the leader of your life. And you know that you are here to evolve, to keep growing. Your potential is limitless. Nature, 74. Heart chakra with the green, again, the purple tones. Third eye crown. Yeah. So putting these together, it's in your nature to want to continually evolve. It's a part of you. Remaining stagnant, not learning anything new, this makes you feel uncomfortable. You must continue evolving, expanding, for it's in your nature. It makes me think maybe you read a lot of literature on personal growth. Self-help books, spiritual texts, healing, Gap 66, all blue, throat chakra. You're learning to express yourself. Because you're learning to respect yourself. Stand up for yourself. Love and accept yourself. Taking responsibility for your life. Sixes always make me think of balance, harmony, stability, And there are 2 sixes. It's a power number. You're feeling more balanced now. Relationship change. Number 56. Well, definitely the relationship that you have with yourself compared to who you were in the past when maybe you did not recognize your sovereignty, that you were a free agent co-creating a beautiful life with the universe. But you've healed that victim mindset, that lack mindset. Yeah, more blues. You're learning to express yourself. Maybe even when you feel hesitant to do so, you're still doing it. Adventure, another power number, 55. Major changes are afoot for you. More blue tones, blues and greens, your heart chakra. You're seeing life as an adventure now. It isn't something that you need to dread. You know you're here for a reason. There's a divine purpose here, a divine plan, and you are a part of it. Oh boy, another double-digit number. Compassion, yes. You've learned to show more compassion to yourself. Didn't this, when reading about Jeremiel, compassion, I'm sure compassion was mentioned. Forgiveness, compassion, they go hand in hand, right? Well, mercy, they mention mercy here. Mercy, forgiveness. Yes, more purple tones. Seeing the knives make me think that you've ended a cycle. 5, change and transformation. Again, you're evolving. Big changes are afoot. Okay. Let's see if the Sacred Destiny Oracle has anything to add. Ooh, power. Yes, you are definitely growing in power, especially inner strength, spiritual strength, emotional strength. Seeing the purple tones, mental strength. You're growing in intuition, Your intuition is getting stronger. Gaining personal power. You realize how powerful you are. Whoop. Opportunity. Yeah, I would put that with adventure. You're seeing life, your life as an opportunity. But I also take this as a hint that many opportunities will be offered to you. And I put opportunity beside power, powerful opportunities. Opportunities that will continue your personal evolution. Oh, we have 3. Okay. Well, we have stillness. So you're likely in the in-between period. Because I mentioned, yeah, the number 9. Seeing the number 9 made me think that you ended a cycle or multiple cycles. You may be in the in-between, about to start a new journey of adventure from a more empowered standpoint, a more optimistic standpoint. But you may be spending a lot of time in solitude at this time. You're in receiving mode. Inner peace. So that relates to stillness. So you're growing in inner peace. You feel more peaceful despite what may be happening around you in the external world. Okay, abundance. Abundance in all areas of your life. Abundance of opportunities as well. Okay. An abundance of peace. An abundance of personal and spiritual growth. Yes, abundance, delight. Delightful blessings are afoot for you. Look at this. But this bird and this swan, they're still now. They're not moving. So, yes, you may be feeling like not much is happening in the physical realm right now. But you are in Empress mode right now. You're in receiving mode. Just focus on nurturing yourself. You're likely being prepared by spirit because there's more coming in for you. Okay? So that's the perspective. Perspective shift. This is the Hanged Man or Hanging Man card in the Tarot. This is the Psychic Tarot, by the way. Still, the rainbow here makes me think of looking for the silver lining in your current situation. If it feels a little too quiet for you right now, like not much is happening. 18, this is the Moon card in the Tarot, shadow. Well, you've definitely faced your shadows during your healing. Lots of darker lighting here. So you went through the multiple dark nights of the soul, and you still emerged compassionate, because that is what you truly are. That is your essence. Love. The frequency of love. The moon card may also indicate, well, besides pointing to your strong intuitive abilities, excuse me, there are some things, some opportunities that you may not see coming that will likely delight you. Okay, this is Two of Pentacles. Movement, choices, decisions. Yeah, I would put that with opportunity. You're going to have multiple opportunities. On this new adventure of yours. Now there are two wedding bands on this card, and we did see the relationship change. So potentially, if that's one of the blessings that you're manifesting, that might be a hint from spirits. Oop. But yes, at this time of stillness, be patient. You're being stabilized. Looking at these columns make me think of stability, building firm foundations from within. From within, right? Your chakras are being balanced so you can receive more. It's a time for conserving your energy, to nurture your feminine energy. The moon card represents the feminine. There's another moon here. Yep, firm foundation. Firm foundation. You need a firm foundation to continue on this new adventure of yours. To feel strong, worthy from within. Okay, third eye, yep. You're highly intuitive. Rejoice in celebration, Three of Cups. Yes. You may be in solitude right now, hermit mode. Expect changes, yeah, in your relationships. You're aligning to welcoming in relationships that are more aligned with the vibration that you are at. Ooh. Oh boy. Okay. Yep, this is the end of a very difficult cycle. This is the Nine of Swords, suffering in silence. Yeah, so you put it with this, the number 9. You may be seeing a lot of 9s right now. Yep, you're in Empress mode. This is the Empress card in the Tarot. Number 3, fertility. The green glow here makes me think of the heart chakra. You're healing your heart. All of your chakras are being balanced right now. It's okay to rest. The Empress knows that she is innately abundant. As within, so without. You may be creating at this time of rest or stillness, getting creative, expressing yourself creatively. That's the truth. Heartache and loss. You've been through a lot. You've been through a lot. This is a Three of Swords. Yeah. You need to rejuvenate. It's okay to rest. And the Empress represents the divine feminine energy. Okay. Accelerated motion. This is the Eight of Wands. Okay. Does this mean communication or swift movement? Oh, there you go. The wheel, I believe this is the Wheel of Fortune, number 10. Destiny. It makes me think you're on your destiny timeline now. So you need a lot of energy. You need a lot of rest in preparation. You're being prepared. Another chakra, solar plexus. Yep, you are growing in confidence. You know that you are worthy of a beautiful, abundant life. Yep. Empress energy. Innately abundant. Emotional loss. This is the Five of Cups. Yeah. Disappointment. Be assured you have much to look forward to. You may be seeing triple fives, not only 55, but because I just looked at the 5 here and the 5 on the adventure card. Triple 5. Major changes are coming. Rest as best as you can. Yep, new beginnings. The beginning of new adventures. Moving. On your destiny timeline. Yeah, positive movement forward. This is the Eight of Pentacles, yeah. Eight of Pentacles also denotes mastering a skill. So I mentioned that you may be doing something creative right now in this time of stillness. Good. Be in the frequency of joy. Be in the frequency of rest. There's a sun here. So much to feel optimistic about. And it makes me think of the solar plexus. Yep. The sun is coming. But you're already abundant now, and you know this, right? You take responsibility for your life. Shall we get one more? Okay, well, we have to keep going here. Another 5, obstacles and challenges. Well, definitely even the healing journey. Wow. Boy, oh boy. That's a tough one, isn't it? And it doesn't mean that you'll no longer face obstacles and challenges, but you are better at managing energy, right? You don't invite drama anymore. If it does happen, you choose differently now from the choices you made in the past. Okay, I think we can end it here. This is the 6 of Pentacles. Material and spiritual prosperity. Yes. That's part of your new beginning, your new adventure. Thank you. Take care.